Hello everyone, I am Kitivasan. In this lecture, we are going to discuss about differential amplifier. Aim of this experiment is to construct the differential amplifier in common mode, differential mode, and CMRR value, common mode rejection ratio. For this, we require Multisym software. Components used in this experiment is resistors, transistors, DC power supply, and a multimeter. Differential amplifier is nothing but it is designed to amplify the difference between two input signals. It reduces the noise of the both the input signals V1 and V2 and it amplifies the required signal and it will show in the output V0. Okay. Next, see if CMRR value is better, the performance of the differential amplifier also better. For this, we have to increase the differential mode gain and decrease the common mode gain. Differential mode circuit is given below. And this is the differential mode circuit. Let us implement the circuit in the Multisym software. For this experiment, we need resistors. For that, we go to place and the components, and here we select basic. In this basic, we select resistors. We want resistors values equal to 21k. We type it here and select. We want 21k two resistors, so we select and drag here. Next, we want a 10k resistor one. We also select that. We place it here. Next, we want transistors. For that, we select here transistors. We need a BC 107 BP. Yeah, the type of transistor we want. We select it and place it here. We want two transistors, so that we select two transistors. After that, we want DC power supply. For that, we select here sources. Here DC power supply sources. We want a 3 DC power supply source, so that we select here. Next, we require multimeter. We drag it from here. Next, we shall connect the components. After connecting the components, the circuit looks like this. This is differential mode gain, so that we give input values like V2 equal to 0.2 and V1 equal to 0.1. Let us see the output of this. We get around values equal to 11.492. Let us enter this. Equal to, we get 11.492 divided by we get a V2 equal to 0.2 minus V1 equal to 0.1. By doing calculations, we get 11.492 divided by 0.1, and the value for AD equal to 114.9. Next, we look the circuit for common mode gain. This is the circuit for common mode gain. Next, let us see the value for common mode. For common mode, let us give inputs as same 0.1, and also for V1 also it is 0.1. By running this, we get output as around 27 yes, around something 27 fermivolt. Let us keep this value as 27 into 10 power minus Fermi means minus 15. For that we write minus 15 divided by V1 plus V2. V1 is 0.1 plus us V2 is 0.1. Let us add in means 0.2. We get divided by 2 bracket by getting this 27 into 10 power minus 15 divided by we get 0.1. Do the calculation for CMRR. Here for CMRR equal to AD value, here we get 114.9 divided by for AC we get 27. By calculating this we get value is equal to 4.25 into 10 power plus 14. Next, let us discuss about the transfer characteristics for differential amplifiers experiment. For this, we require V2, V1, V2 minus V1, and the output voltage values. First, let us give V2 equal to 200 millivolt. For V1 equal to, let us give 100 millivolt. By V2 minus V1 is 100 millivolt. For this value, let us see the output. Let us give here V2 minus V1. V2 value equal to 200 millivolt. V1 equal to 100 millivolt. Let us run this and see the output. We get around 11.492. Let us mark it here. Output equal to 11.492. Okay. Output equal to let us draw the graph for these values. For V2 minus V1 100 millivolt, we get V0 equal to 11.492. So it will look like it will come around like this. Let's start from here like this. For 150 millivolt, it is like 14, and for 215, all the values equal 15. Let us draw this properly. It will come like this. Yes. Let us calculate for the negative side. Here for negative side, let us V1 is equal to 600 millivolt. V2 is equal to 300 millivolt. For this, we get output minus 15.101. Just write this that minus 15.101. It's Negative value of this positive side only. Values will come same around same only for all this. Let us take one more value. For this 500 millivolt, here 250 millivolt. Let us see output minus 15.185. Okay, this is also same, like minus 15.185. More or less all the values will come here only. Minus, let us take this directly, 15.177 minus 14.596 minus 11.492. Okay, let us plot the graph for negative side. It will come like negative. For 100 it will come around like 11.492 minus 11.492. So it will come like this. And for 150 it is 14.596. And for 200, 250, 300, like 15 will come. It will look like this. The transfer characteristics graph of the differential amplifier experiment look like this. Therefore, we calculated differential mode gain, common mode gain values, and the CMRR values. Okay, hence the CMRR differential amplifier in both common mode and differential mode is calculated. Thank you for watching.